How to reopen Instagram photos already viewed. So if you want to reopen Instagram photos already viewed, then first open up your Instagram application. So once you open your Instagram, go for the messages, which is on the upper right, and then you can simply choose the person from whom you have received the vanishing photos or videos. So for example, if you open up the chat in which you have received the photo, now if you tap on that chat or that photo, you may only be able to view that photo once, right? So if you want to reopen that Instagram photo, then what you need to do is, once you tap on that and once you open that photo, you need to simply take the screenshot and save the screenshot on your gallery. And once you've saved, you can open up your gallery and view that photo as many times as you like. So that's the only way to view the Instagram photos that are already viewed or that have sent in vanish mode. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.